double dose of Super Duty action for you today. We got Reserve Edition F450 Limited and Covered Edition King Ranch action. These are two diamonds, y'all, and I hope you're doing great. Real Deal is feeling great on a beautiful day. I'd say it's a beautiful day, but it's really not. It's like 40 degrees and been raining, but it's a beautiful day because it's about perspective. And I'm seeing two gorgeous trucks right here. A 24 King Ranch 250 high output. So we're talking 500 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque. This is a Bubba Covered Edition because it's got stocks and 37s, and we are ready lift 2.5 inch with Falcon shock leveled on 37, 12.5, 20 ridge grapplers, just like Real Deal's rolling on 12, size 12 Jordans today. And I got my Georgia swag for you as well. So look, we got Falcon shock for this ready lift kit, 2.5 inch level, got the extended arms, so all of our geometry specs, headlights, weight scales, provisions all work correctly. And the high output on this truck is so impressive. And this is like really all that you need. You've heard me say it time and time again. The truck in this spec on factory wheels. We've got some other additions like bed cover and rear wheel well liners. This is kind of like all that you really need, let's be honest, because this truck looks great overall. But you know, I love to go next level with other upgrades on these trucks, but this is just one that most of our customers can resonate with, but essentially just because the truck is so nice. The King Ranch package is so premier that it works. And then right next door we have a F450 Limited as well, 3.5 inch Carly E-Venture lifted on 37s and 26s. We got American Force wheels, all blacked out. This thing is murdered out front to rear as far as our wheel and tire setup. Now maybe down the road we can do some more paint match to make this thing go truly next level. But if you're on 6s and 37s with the Carly E-Venture, you are ahead of the game by far. We got Carly torsion sway bar with end links. We got steering stabilizer. I love the new radius arms. Look at that red badging back there also. This kit right here, y'all, I love that the new graphics and designs on this, but this E-Venture kit gives you overall capability to electronically dial in your shock package to where you get the premier ride quality that I found. This kit is Raptor-like in that it's always trying to adapt to whatever you throw at it, which is going to mean that it's going to give you the best overall ride quality experience. And you can specifically dial in per wheel what you're looking for. If you're towing, you can let it know that as well. It's a great system overall. 37s on 26s. Let's go, y'all. So you see us do so many things time and time again that I'm trying to show you the same variation time and time again. So limited truck with 6s and 37s looking great, and a covert right next door to you. So we've got mild to wild scale. This one right here is more on the wild side, and then this one right here is more clean and classy, leveled out. Both are stunning in their own token. It's all about what you, the customer, are looking to achieve. A great repeat customer of ours, and Kevin Swindles. Hit Kevin up for all your vehicle needs. Got this one ready to rock and roll. Kevin's right here on top of it, scooping it up, going to get it all ready for delivery. Trimmer valance up front, I forgot to mention as well, y'all. This truck looks amazing to me. There he goes, headed up to detail, finishing everything up. The great collaboration we have between the sales staff and our Wild Willies team is great to me because it conveniences the customer. We can take care of everything right here in one location. And coincidentally, now that he's out the way, we can do a better side shot of this F450 Limited. This truck right here goes so hard to me. So look right here. If you go higher than a 3.5 on this kit right here, it'd be way too big. You have to go up with 38. So you've heard me say many times that in that 3 to 3.5 inch range, 37s is fine. It could even fit 38s on this bad boy if you wanted to, but 37 on 26s looks primo on this one. And the all black forces just hit different. Like it's kind of got a little gangster intimidation factor to it, but it's also so elegant because it's a limited truck. So on the inside, you've got that pure navy inspired seafoam green with the Alcantara and the gray and the suede rocking on. And right there's our electronics with a touchscreen with a rotary dial to dial in the specifications of this shock package right here. Looking amazing. You don't see us run amp tires that often. A 37, 13.5, 26, you're very limited in what tire options you have. Nitto and Toyo just don't even get in that segment as far as overall size because they don't really need to. It's just another market and size they don't really want to mess with. So you're limited on your tire options. So not knocking this tire at all, just letting you know that your options are not going to be as good as some of our mainstream like you see us run consistently. So just take notice of that when you're considering what size wheel you're going to run overall. But nonetheless, a stunning truck, and I know the customers are going to be super impressed with this one overall from a drivability standpoint, and of course the killer looks. Wild Willies at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Peace out.